If the Telegram app is not opening on your iPhone, get stuck on the loading screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix Telegram not opening on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check for a server outage. Before changing any settings, verify if the problem is on Telegram. Open Safari on your iPhone and go to downdetector.com. Type the name of Telegram in the search box. Analyze the graph. A huge spike in the last hour indicates a widespread outage. Read comments. Scroll to the bottom to see real-time comments from other users. If the server is down, then wait until it's okay. Solution 2. Free up iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app, then tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone storage. Now check whether you have enough space or not. If not, then find the unnecessary largest app or documents here and make sure to delete them. Solution 3. Update Telegram and iOS. Open the App Store, search Telegram, now see if an update for Telegram is available. Then make sure to install the latest update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.